Bluey and Bingo dashed into the park shouting, "Adventure today!" Their paws hit the grass, tails wagging wild. Suddenly a deep bark echoed. From behind the bench stepped a huge bulldog, chest broad, eyes sharp, teeth flashing. Bluey gasped, "Whoa!" Bingo whispered, "He looks tough. Could tension snap this fast?" The bulldog growled low, "This is MY Park." Bluey stood tall, "Not if we're here." Bingo puffed her chest, "We won't back down." Could courage roar this loud? The bulldog charged, paws pounding like thunder. Bluey dodged left, Bingo rolled right, tails flying. The ground shook, hearts raced, voices shouted. Could danger slam this close? Muffin and Socks arrived, eyes wide. "Who's that?" Muffin squealed. Bluey barked, "Help us!" Socks growled back, tiny but fierce. Could teamwork rise this quick? The bulldog leapt high, jaws wide, but Coco tossed a rope. "Catch!" Bluey grabbed, swung, spun, wrapped the rope around the bulldog's paw. He stumbled, growled, then froze. Bingo shouted, "We got him!" Could victory feel this near? But instead of attacking again, the bulldog sat down, tongue lolling, eyes soft. Bluey blinked, "Wait, you're not mean." The bulldog wagged slowly, "I only wanted to play." Bingo gasped, "You scared us." The bulldog barked, "Sorry, I'm just big." Could fear twist this strange? Everyone laughed loud. Muffin climbed on his back, shouting, "Pony ride!" The bulldog trotted, carrying her proud. Coco clapped, Snickers honked his toy car, Socks howled to the sky. Bluey and Bingo chased beside, tails wagging again. Could joy return this fast? The bulldog barked bright, "Friends forever?" Bluey grinned, "Always." Bingo nodded, "You're part of the pack now." Everyone cheered, the park bursting with laughter, barking, and endless play. Could friendship roar this strong? Bluey turned to you, smiling wide. If this battle turned to friendship made you shout, laugh, and cheer, hit like, subscribe, and join us again. Next time, maybe you will face the unexpected and find a friend too.